Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, you are welcome. My name is Blizzy, and if you are a returning subscriber, of course you are definitely welcome. Thank you guys for coming back. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do your brows, how to draw your brows. So if you're having struggle drawing your brow, having that sharp popping brow, so keep on watching because this video is going to be details. I'm going to show you when to start, how to start, whatever. I'm going to show you everything, so keep on watching. So without wasting much time, let's just get right into it now.
Do you want to know?
So guys, these are the basic things you need for your brow. You need a brow pencil, you need a brush, you need a flat brush like this. You can also use an angle brush, and also you need a concealer. You can use any concealer of your choice that matches your skin tone. So guys, the first thing you need to know is to measure your brow, and to draw your brow you need to start from here. You can see where the pencil is, and then your arc should be here, right under the pupil of your eye. And then your brush will end here, as you can see. So your brush will end there. So this is how to start your brow. And then I will brush my brow up like so. Now I'm using my mirror. Then I'll brush them up. Sure your pencil is very sharp, and you use a very light and don't need to apply force. And then start from here that I said earlier, line. So if you are doing this step, make sure it's very light. So just use a light hand to fill in your natural brow, to fill in the brown, and your pencil should be very sharp.
From the anger, from the war, let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free all together.
So to clean my brows, I'm using this concealer and flat brush here.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far is the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together, we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all.
To clean the concealer out, I'm using this brush here for jazz up. Then I'm just going to use it to clean all the concealer in here. before moving to the other side.
Should be living free all together, one and all. Let's build a dream. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide.
I'll take a bit of my setting powder to set my brown bone. This is my brown bone. So to set the brow, I'm going to use my brown gel in transparent. You can skip this step if you don't have a brown gel at home.
Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all.
So guys, that is all for this brow tutorial. Hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as well share with others, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard.